Good morning, students. Our today's topic is human reproduction, that is chapter number 3, page number 42. As we are aware, humans are sexually reproducing and viviparous. What is the meaning of viviparous? Viviparous organisms are those which give birth to the young ones. The reproductive events in humans include formation of gametes. This process is known as gametogenesis. That is, the process of formation of gametes is known as gametogenesis. That is, sperms in males and ovum in females. Then transfer of sperms into the female genital tract. This process is known as insemination. And fusion of male and female gamete, the process is known as fertilization, leading to formation of zygote. This is followed by formation and development of blastocyst and its attachment to the uterine wall. This process is known as implantation. What is implantation? When the blastocyst fixes itself into the wall of the uterus, this process is known as implantation. Embryonic development, that period is known as gestation period. The period in which the embryo remains in the womb of the mother is known as gestation period or gestation. Then last is the delivery of the baby. This process is known as parturition. You have learned that these reproductive events occur after puberty. Puberty means after maturity, when the gamete sex cells start producing. There are remarkable differences between the reproductive events in the male and the female. For example, sperm formation continues even in old men, but formation of ovum ceases. Ceases means stops in women around the age of 50 years. So egg production in female occurs only till the age of approximately 50 years. At the age of 50 years. Let us examine that male and female reproductive systems in humans. The male reproductive system. So the male reproductive system is located in the pelvis region. Pelvis is the hip region. It includes a pair of testes along with accessory ducts, glands, and the external genitalia. The testes are situated outside the abdominal cavity within a pouch called scrotum. Testes are present outside the abdominal cavity in a bag-like or pouch-like structure known as scrotum. The scrotum helps in maintaining the low temperature of the testes, that is 2 to 2.5 degrees centigrade lower than the normal internal body temperature, necessary for spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis is the process of formation of sperms. So the formation of sperms required 2 to 2.5 degree temperature less than the normal temperature, which is available in the scrotum. In adults, each testis is oval in shape with a length of about 4 to 5 centimeter and the width of about 2 to 3 centimeter. The testis is covered by a dense covering. Each testis has about 250 compartments called testicular lobules. Each testis, because in male a pair of testes is present, so in male total 500 testicular lobules are present, because in each testis 250 compartments, or that is known as testicular lobule. And in a male total 250 testicular lobules are present. Each lobule contains 1 to 3 highly coiled seminiferous tubules in which sperms are produced. Now, Each seminiferous tubule is lined on its inside by two types of cells called male germ cells or spermatogonia and Sertoli cells. The male germ cells, that is spermatogonia, undergoes meiotic division, meiosis, and finally leads to sperm formation, while Sertoli cells provide nutrition to the germ cells. क्या है, हर टेस्टिस के अंदर छोटे छोटे कंपार्टमेंट्स बने हुए हैं, उनको बोलते हैं टेस्टिकुलर लोब्यूल्स. हर एक टेस्टिकुलर लोब्यूल के अंदर फिर 2 या 3 हाईली क्वाइल्ड सेमिनिफेरस ट्यूब्यूल्स हैं. उन ट्यूब्यूल्स के अंदर स्पर्म प्रोडक्शन होता है. उन ट्यूब्यूल्स के अंदर क्या क्या बनेगा? मेल जर्म सेल्स, जिनको कहते हैं कि स्पर्मेटोगोनिया, और सर्टोली सेल्स उसके अंदर प्रेजेंट हैं. सर्टोली सेल का फंक्शन है वो स्पर्मेटोगोनिया को न्यूट्रिशन प्रोवाइड करते हैं. जो मेल जर्म सेल्स हैं या स्पर्मेटोगोनिया है, उनमें मियोसिस होगी और मियोसिस के बाद में लास्ट में स्पर्म्स प्रोड्यूस होंगे. The region outside the seminiferous tubules, called interstitial space, contains small blood vessels and interstitial cells or Leydig cells. Outside the seminiferous tubules कुछ स्पेस है, उस स्पेस में कुछ सेल्स हैं, उनको कहते हैं Leydig cells और interstitial cells. The cells synthesize and secrete testicular hormone called androgen. Androgen is a group of hormones. Other immunological competent cells are also present. The male sex accessory ducts include retetestis, vasa efferentia, epididymis, and vas deferens. The seminiferous tubules of the testis opens into the vas efferentia through retetestis. सबसे पहले सेमिनिफेरस ट्यूब्यूल्स में से रेटेटेस्टिस निकलती है. वो रेटेटेस्टिस ज्वाइन करके वासा एफ्रेंशिया बनाती है. वासा एफ्रेंशिया ज्वाइंस करके एपिडाइडमिस बनाएंगी. देन एपिडाइडमिस वास डेफरेंस बनाती है. द वासा एफ्रेंशिया leaves the testis and open into epididymis, located along the posterior surface of each testis. The epididymis leads to vas deferens that ascends to the abdomen and loops over the urinary bladder. Ascends means ऊपर की तरफ जाती है. It receives a duct from seminal vesicle and opens into urethra as ejaculatory duct. These ducts store and transport the sperms from the testis to the outside through urethra. The urethra originates from the urinary bladder and extends to the penis to its external opening called urethral meatus. The penis in the male is the male external genitalia. It is made up of special tissues that help in erection of the penis to facilitate insemination. What is insemination? The transfer of sperms into the female genital tract the process is known as insemination. The enlarged end of penis, called glans penis, is covered by a loose fold of skin called foreskin. The male accessory glands includes paired seminal vesicles, a prostate, and paired bulbourethral glands. The secretion of these glands constitute the seminal plasma, which is rich in fructose, calcium, and certain enzymes. The secretion of bulbourethral gland also help in the lubrication of the penis. So, in male reproductive system, first diagram is important. Learn all the labeling of this diagram. Then important parts, it includes mainly testes, ducts, glands, and external genitalia. Learn all the names of the accessory ducts, that is rete testis, vasa efferentia, epididymis and vas deferens, and all the accessory glands, seminal vesicles, prostate, bulbourethral. So this is the important part in male reproductive system. The diagram of seminiferous tubule is very important. This is in your practical also under the spotting. So learn this diagram. Next, that part, that is the female reproductive system, we will do afterwards. Thank you.